Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to start Microsoft Edge Chromium in private mode, which, if you're familiar with Google Chrome, it's called incognito mode. So, if you use it all the time, we can start it right off the shortcut. So let's right-click on our shortcut first, and I'm going to tell you why. Nice idea here would be to create a shortcut, and what we're going to do is we'll make this one incognito and this one not incognito. So when you start it, you have a choice. So all you got to know is you need to know the word InPrivate. You see it right here. Copy that. And it's exactly the same in Google Chrome except you use -incognito. So let's do this. Head back over here, pick one of your two shortcuts. I'm going to use 2, knowing that that's default. And we're going to right click on it and do properties. Got that open? Alright. You see the quotation mark right here at the end? Put a space after it. And Control V to paste if you copied, or do -InPrivate, all one thing, all lowercase, -InPrivate. Click OK. Let's fire it up. It should be dark. There you go, you're in private mode. And a description, of course, of what InPrivate browsing does, in case you didn't know. Deletes all your browsing when you're done. Tells you what it doesn't do, exactly the same as Google Chrome. Let's close this out, and let's say we want to use a normal browser. Normal. InPrivate. So there you have it. Piece of cake, right? There you go. And of course, I would say you just have to go back later and delete the InPrivate if you change your mind, but frankly, since you got 2 shortcuts, what's the big deal? Now, if you have any problems with it, we also have how to edit the registry on this. I much prefer this method because it's simple enough to do. But if you have trouble, you can actually go in here, add a new key, add a new D word. It's a lot of work as far as simple registry editing goes. Add the D word, change the value data, click OK. That's it. While you're down there, some other cool links and stuff you can do with the Chromium-based Microsoft Edge. You look for the little eye up here. It'll bring you over to this tutorial in case you want to follow along at home, and the video will be embedded once I'm done somewhere along here. There you go. That's about it. Yeah, bottom right corner, Major Geeks logo pops up. You can click subscribe, or at least give us a like if we helped you out. Easy enough to do. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.